Hi, this is Visi Pro Trade channel. In today's video, I will show you how to remove footer in Excel. Before I get started, don't forget to subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. So let's go! Excel is like that old reliable friend, always there when you need to crunch some number or whip up a quick chart. But sometimes Excel does things that leave you stretching your head, like adding a footer to your spreadsheet. Maybe you didn't even know it was there until you printed your document, only to find some extra text at the bottom of every page. If you've ever found yourself in this situation, don't worry. I will show you how to remove footer in Excel. So on my previous video, I've shown you how to add header, how to remove it, how to add footer. Now I will show you how to remove the footer. It's so simple. So first of all, of course, we have to open our Excel document. As you can see here, here's my Excel document. There's header and also footer, and I want to remove the footer. You can just double click on the footer like this. Sorry. Okay, think there is an error. I will reopen my file. So here's the footer. Let's create the footer first. If you want to remove it, you can just do the same thing. Like if you want to add it, you can double click on the footer and you can just delete it. So there's no more footer on your document, Excel's worksheet. I'm going to like this. Now, or you can just go to insert, go to header and footer, just click on none and the footer will be removed. It's so simple, right? So that is how to remove footer on your uh, Excel spreadsheet. Don't forget to like and subscribe and turn on the notification to keep you updated about this channel. Thank you and see you.